Good morning, student. Today's topic is differentiation. It is first principle. Its another name is AB initio method or delta method. Let y equal to fx is a function. Let us change some values of x. X is replaced by x plus delta x. Then it is x plus delta. Then y is also changed. Let it becomes y plus delta y. Then delta y equal to f x plus delta x minus y. Y means fx. Now delta y over delta x, it is called rate of change. It is fx plus delta x minus fx upon delta x. Let us introduce limit here. So limit delta x tends to 0, f x plus delta x minus fx upon delta x. This side limit delta x tends to 0, delta y over delta x. It is the limiting value of rate of change of y with respect to x, and it is called derivative dy over dx. So there is a formula, limit delta x tends to 0, it is f x plus delta x minus fx upon delta x. Student, we can suppose delta x as h also. Then it becomes limit h tends to 0. Here h is very small. So it is f x plus h minus fx upon h. It is differentiation by first principle. The formula. Now differentiate y equal to root 2x square plus 1 by first principle. Let it is fx. Now find fx plus h. It is root 2 into x plus h whole square plus 1. Now there is a formula, dy over dx is limit h tends to 0, root of 2 into x plus h whole square plus 1 minus root of 2x square plus 1 upon h. Now let's rationalize the numerator. So it is limit h tends to 0. There is h into root of 2x plus h whole square plus 1 plus root of 2x square plus 1, and numerator becomes, there is a formula, a minus b into a plus b, so it is a square minus b square, and square will remove the square root sign, so it is 2 into x plus h whole square plus 1 minus 2x square plus 1 after using the formula. Now make the whole square. So it is limit h tends to 0. Its square is x square plus h square plus 2xh plus 1 minus 2x square minus 1 divided by h into root of 2 into x plus h whole square plus 1 plus root of 2x square plus 1. Now here 2x square cancel out, 1 is also cancel out. Then limit h tends to 0, h is common here. So it is 2h into h plus 2x divided by h into 2 root 2 x plus h whole square plus 1 plus root of 2x square plus 1. Now here 1h is cancelled out. Then introduce h equal to 0 here. It is 2 into 0 plus 2x divided by root of 2 into x plus 0 whole square plus 1 plus it is also 2x square plus 1. Now 2 to the 4 x upon 2 into root of 2x square plus 1. This 2 to cancel, 2 to the 4. It becomes 2x upon root of 2x square plus 1. So derivative of this function is 2x upon root 2x square plus 1. Now student, next question is y equal to e power root 10x. Now let it is fx. Then fx plus h, fx plus h equal to e power root 10 x plus h. Now by first principle, dy over dx equal to e power root 10 x plus h minus e power root 10 x divided by h. Now we will take e power root 10x common. Then it is e power root 10 x plus h minus root 10x minus 1 divided by h. Then here limit h tends to 0. To convert into the standard limit, we will multiply and divide by root 10x plus h minus root 10x in numerator and denominator. So it becomes e power root 10x into e power root 10 x plus h minus root 10x minus 1 divided by, there is a limit h tends to 0. Root 10 x plus h minus root 10x into h into root 10x plus h minus root 10x. Student, let this is z, then it is e power z minus 1 upon z, and since to make the standard limit, let this term as a z. Equal to z. When h tends to 0, then z is also tends to 0. So there is e power root 10x into limit z tends to 0 e power z minus 1 upon z into, there is a root 10 x plus h minus root 10x upon h. Here h tends to 0. This is the standard limit, so its value is 1. Now it is e power root 10x into 1 into, then rationalize the numerator. It is limit h tends to 0. It is root 10x plus h minus root 10x into root 10x plus h plus root 10x divided by h into root 10 x plus h plus root 10x. Here, numerator make a formula 10a minus 10b. So it is e power root 10x into limit h tends to 0. It is 10 x plus h minus 10x divided by h into root 10x plus h plus root 10x. Student, now there is a formula 10a minus 10b equal to 10a minus b into 1 plus 10a into 10b. So it is e power root 10 x into limit h tends to 0. There is a 10 of a means x plus h minus x upon h into it is 1 plus 10 of x plus h into 10x into root 10x plus h plus root 10x. Now here x cancel. It becomes a standard limit e power root 10x into limit h tends to 0. 10h upon h is the standard limit. In other part, we can put h equal to 0. So it is 1 plus 10x into 10x upon root 10x plus root 10x. It becomes e power root 10x into this is 1 plus 1 plus 10 square x which is sec square x upon 2 root 10x. So final answer is e power root 10x into sec square x divided by 2 root 10x. It is the final answer.